For this video, maggagawa tayo ng papaya soup. So, these are my ingredients. Siyempre, yung papaya, ripe, but not that ripe, very, very ripe. And meron tayong dried fish. This is actually Japanese dried fish. And then, meron tayong peanuts, meron tayong black eyed peas, and and meron tayong almond white. And then, meron tayong salted meat. Ito po ay na-marinate ko na ng asin and then hinugasan ko siya uli. And then we're going to boil water. Syempre, bago natin ilagay itong mga to. But before that, we're going to ihaw natin muna to. Kailangan muna natin siyang ihawin. Ayan. Bago natin siya hugasan. Right. So, yan. Hinugasan muna natin siya and then saka natin siya ilalagay doon. So, ilagay natin yung meat and the fish. Of course, lagyan natin siya ng luya. So, ayan yung luya. And then, open natin siya and close and wait natin siyang maboil. Pagka-boil yan, saka natin ilalagay yung ating nuts. Okay? Guys, kumukulo na siya. Alisin natin yung puti-puti sa ibabaw. Ayan. Tsaka natin ilagay ito. Ayan. And then, cover. Open na natin siya. And then, put na natin yung papaya and cover. For 1.5 hour natin. Papaya soup ko, guys. There. And kung makikita nyo naman, there. So, this is my papaya soup. Guys, this is my papaya soup with fish dry. There. So, let's see. There. This is my papaya soup. Thank you for watching, guys. So, this is papaya with pork and dried fish with papaya, almond, white almond, peanut, and black eye beans. Thank you for watching, guys.